this is a very important case for us and for the people that we represent. This is a case that originates from the Sebangan and Sebangan area. And you have read about the issues in the papers over there, where 7 out of the hundreds were arrested and released without being charged. So what happened is we found out in our investigation that these so-called licensees, timber licensees, were going or encroaching into native Kashmir land, trying to get onto their license given to them. So in the process of going into the area, they build logging roads, and at the same time they are felling and extracting timbers, along the road. But these are not licensed areas. So they are trespassing, encroaching on native Kashmir land. Now this is not the first case. I want to emphasize that. This is just the tip of the iceberg in Sarawak. And in our experience, dealing with native Kashmir right cases, these have been ongoing from Lundu to Lawas. And in our case, even in this case, in those cases that we are aware of, letters had been written to the authorities. In this case, they have written to the resident, they have written to the police, they have lodged police report, they have even sent a copy of the letters and protest to Suhakam. And until they are, they feel that there's no one listening to them, and they have to take the action in their own hands by a physical blockade. And that's how the whole issue came to light. Again, it was published in the papers. So my point here is this, that this is not isolated case, and it's ongoing. It is happening throughout the state of Sarawak. I think it shows to me, as a lawyer and also as people involved in this, it boils down to the policies of the present government, and the people in authorities are not bothered with the rights of the people. And I think a lot of people in the authorities now are moved by influence of those in power, and it is very unfortunate because we're talking about native rights, the indigenous rights of Sarawak, which is supposed to be protected by the government of the day, with a very special provision in the law of Malaysia. And yet we see here in Sarawak, it's not such a certain case, but it is ongoing from one place to another. And because of this, we are very concerned. As people involved in this, as lawyers involved in this, we are very concerned. And therefore, for this case, we just take it up again to the court, and that's the only last bastion of justice, as it were. And we hope that the court would come to the aid of my clients.